So this is the leg now that she's up on it. Let me see how you're gonna walk, Beeps. Mom's going to let Elliot out, so you got up because I told you that. And now, let's see, that leg looks a little more bruised today than it did yesterday. You want to come? Okay, so you're still doing a 3-legged hobble.